as a Women's Commission, really thankful for the MXGP Academy and Imprint Moto for turning back to this project, to have this academy, especially for the women, and to run this event here in Spain, where the motocross is really popular. It's a great opportunity. And as well, it's really good that we have the former riders, the world champion has been new, Nancy Van de Ven, joining this academy, and MXGP Academy crew becoming a new coach. So it's also kind of a good example that even after the sport career, you still can continue to stay in this field and become a coach. So and for us, it's important to see that more and more young girls joining the motocross, and through such activities and training camps as MXGP Academy is a great opportunity to show the young generation what the motorsport is, what's the highest level, and also to give them a chance to be here, attend the event, and see everything by their own eyes. And who knows, maybe one day there will be world champions as the Nancy.
Spoke open about my retirement. There opened some new doors, and one of that was that I had the opportunity to do a quick course for motocross trainer. And because I am licensed trainer now, you get into more things, and this is one of it. And I'm really proud to be here and to take part in something as big as this. And we do this mostly with FIM women. And as I am not racing professional anymore, but I have a really long racing background and I know how everything works, I think I can help the girls a little bit out, and that I can be like an ambassador for girls and women to get the step to go to the World Championship. Girls are completely the opposite like men, and we need to accept that even if you are the best female rider, we still don't have the speed of the MXGP and MX2 class. So we train on another level, and I know that there's a completely different background to get to the top step of racing on high-level sports for women. And we need to start that already from a young age, and we shouldn't be pushing like, oh, you need to be as fast as that boy, because we are never going to be as fast as top riders in the highest level of this sport. So I think it already starts there to approach the children on a little bit different angle, yeah.